I wanted to create a raised plant stand about this tall with some easy and cheap wood from Home Depot. So I headed there and I saw these pieces that are actually pressure treated, and they're $1.26 a piece. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you my exact measurements, but you can go ahead and screenshot them so you have them down. So I'm cutting 2 pieces that are 12 inches long. Then I'm cutting 4 pieces that are 5 3/8. And lastly, I'm cutting 8 pieces that are 30 inches long. Now I'm actually doing this to make 2 of these, one for me and one for my friend. And you can see there's the 12-inch piece, the 5 3/8, and 4 that are 30 inches long. The next thing you want to do is remove all those staples from the ends of the pieces of wood and give every side a very good sand down. I'm using a 220 grit. For the next step, I'm going to be drilling pocket holes. And if you don't know what pocket holes are, this is a pocket hole jig. And what you do is you use this little contraption and you pop your wood in there, you push the lever back to give some support, and you clamp it on. Then you're going to take this gigantic drill bit that these machines come with, and you're going to put it into your drill and tighten it up. And you're going to use this big drill bit to drill directly into the holes. Now, once you remove it, this is what's going to make a hole in the wood, so you can screw this into another piece of wood and it will hide the screw. This is a very fun thing to do, and it's really satisfying to do this as well. You're going to do pocket hole jigs on both sides of your pieces that are 5 3/8, just like this. Then you're also going to do them on both sides of your pieces that are 12 inches long, like this. Next, you're going to attach the pieces together with screws in this cross formation. This is what's going to act as your stabilizer for your plant stand. In order to be extra secure, since we're only using 1 screw, we're going to place some heavy-duty wood glue and screw that in using pocket hole screws and a pocket hole drill bit. Once you get the cross made, you're going to use the other sides of the pocket holes to drill them into the 30-inch pieces. These will be your legs. Once it's built, you'll let the wood glue dry, and then you'll move on to either staining or painting. In this case, I'm going to stain it. This is the color Colonial Black. It's a great deep black color, and you still see that gorgeous wood grain throughout. And here is the final result, a nice, easy DIY modern plant stand.